Hi everybody. One of my favorite things to do with the cells unit is to have my students pretend that they're the cell organelles and show how all the organelles work together. Well, unfortunately, we're remote, and so we can't exactly do that. So I've enlisted the help of my two oldest children, and they are going to enact how the cell organelles function together to serve a purpose. So now we've entered our cell, and what you will find is our nucleus.
Make more proteins.
And now since our directions have been set to the ribosome starts quickly taking her materials, putting them together, and making the proteins that the nucleus has requested. As soon as she's finished, she's going to hand it off to the Golgi. And our Golgi over here, he's going to sort and package our proteins. And he has to remember to put a label on this. So, Mr. Golgi, what label are you putting on this? Where's it going?
Cells number.
All right, write it on the label so that it goes to the right place.
Take this to the cell number.
Okay. And as the endoplasmic reticulum is carrying its package of proteins to the cell membrane, it comes across some lysosomes.
This cell is so dirty. This mitochondria is they're everywhere.
And the ER continues on its journey, taking its precious proteins to the cell membrane when it comes across a vacuole. And our vacuole is here filling up with water. Why do you think he would do that? I bet it's because he's storing water for later.
No!
And the ER has finally arrived at the membrane where she's stopping people from getting in who don't belong there and delivers their package. Here you go. You can repair yourself now.
Thank you.